Yo guys, what's going on? Justin or OVO update, back again with another video, and today we'll be going over my spring rotation from t-shirts to jackets. Gonna talk about some of my favorite pieces that I'm rocking this spring. Even though we shouldn't be going outside, whether you're going to a grocery store or just getting some fresh air, you guys probably want to know what I'm rocking this spring and what you guys could look towards to be rocking this spring. So without further ado, let's get straight into today's video. As you guys can see in the rack behind me, I got some t-shirts, a jacket, and a hoodie. Some stuff I've been rocking this spring. Of course, it's not consistent every single day, but I want to bring out some of my favorite items from my collection that I've been rocking. As you guys can see from the theme behind me, it's a lot of white, a lot of spring vibe colors. We got the blue in there and the gray as well. Not a lot of black. The spring, the sun's out, it's nice. And you want to be rocking something a bit more brighter because I've been wearing black for a while. A lot of my OVO collection is black, so when I can, I like to bring out some of the white and colorful pieces. So with that being said, guys, let's start it off with the first t-shirt, which is a black t-shirt, but the only black t-shirt in today's video. So I'm gonna bring it on down for you guys right here. As you can see, it is the October Firm t-shirt. This one is from the 2017 release. This is actually the first piece with October Firm on it, so you guys know I had to cop first ever OG October Firm piece, the t-shirt. This one is made in Mexico and it is a good piece. Next up, guys, we have my only gray OVO t-shirt, which is actually kind of a surprise. This one I like to call the box logo, the OVO BOGO, and this one did come in black and I want to say white. This one had the Canada colorway, and this one is the sort of brown and orange. This one's my favorite because it is on the gray tee. Super sick, and I don't even know if these dropped online, guys. I'm pretty sure this was an in-store only release. Someone can correct me on that, but I do love this t-shirt. Next up, we got the OVO Sound. This one is from last year. Again, the OVO Sound collection is iconic. First ever collaboration with Welcome OVO, and it was successful. Had to pick up the t-shirt. This was mandatory. Next, we got the OVO LA OG Owl t-shirt. Again, guys, you can see the pattern going on right now. A lot of white tees with the graphics on the front. So we got the OG Owl right here. You can never go wrong with an OG Owl t-shirt. I always recommend everybody picks up an OG Owl tee at one point or another. Next up, we have this baseball tee. As you can see, these sleeves are what, 3/4 length, and I think that's what they call it. Has the OVO logo on the back with the Star 67. As you guys know, Drake made a song called Star 67. One of my favorite songs on If You're Reading It's Too Late. Got this one in a large, and I do like the bottom. Check out the bottom, guys. Kind of has like the cutoff vibes. This is a super sick tee, and I did pick this one up at the first ever sample sale, so this piece has been with me for a while. I also did want to point out that it is still a little bit chilly in the spring, so having a bit more length on the sleeves is a bonus. Again, back to another t-shirt. We got the East End tee. This is from the Yorkdale store opening. I do have the Uptown one as well, and this is actually the first time they ever put the tab, as you guys can see here, on the bottom of a t-shirt. So just a little tip, little fact of the day, guys. This is the first time they ever did the tab, and as you can see, it doesn't even have the Stack logo on the back, just the owl. So this one will always stay in my collection because the Yorkdale release was definitely one to remember. And again, just an awesome graphic tee to bring out this spring. Moving on, guys, one of my only t-shirts with color from OVO is this blue one right here. I did unbox this one on the channel a few months ago, and complete vibe for summer. As you guys may know from the live streams, I've been rocking with the blue, guys. The blue hoodie with the flowers on it and the long sleeve. I was feeling those, especially that crew neck. So the blue t-shirt, you guys know I'm rocking it. This one, what caught my attention was all these logos. These logos are super sick. The one with the OG owl and all the different graphics. One of my favorites to bring out this spring. I actually wore this one yesterday. That's why it's a bit wrinkly. Now we got the hoodie. So this is the OVO Sound hoodie. I got this one at the warehouse sale. The white hoodie is an absolute vibe for the spring, guys. Not a lot of people rock white hoodies, but when I do, definitely an attention grabber, especially with this loud logo, fully embroidered. Awesome piece. You guys know I picked this one up at the warehouse sale for $75. Can't go wrong at all. Definitely like to wear this one underneath my vest, which we are going to get into right after this. Here is the vest. Again, I've been rocking this one a lot because it's the spring. It's like 10 degrees. Can't really rock a t-shirt, but you can't really rock a full-on jacket. So the vest is the perfect combination for the spring. Again, I'm rocking the sound hoodie, I'm rocking the vest, and it's an absolute vibe. So this is definitely a heavy piece in my rotation right now. Last but not least, we have this OVO packable windbreaker. Again, what I was saying before, it is too hot for jackets, so something light, something to break the spring wind is perfect right now. This one actually packs into a jacket. If you haven't seen that video on my channel, make sure you guys go do so. There's the bag right there. And if you guys don't know, this is actually a full monogram piece. So the monogram is throughout this whole jacket. You guys can't really see it on camera, but in person, you can see the tiny monogram throughout, which is super cool. And this was a slept-on piece, personally, in my opinion. This one is made in China. All good though, the quality still is awesome. And I definitely recommend picking up a windbreaker if you haven't already. So guys, that is it for my spring rotation. If you guys did enjoy, comment, like, and subscribe below. Let me know if you made it to the end. Comment team update down below. And with that being said, guys, more videos on the way. Let me know what you guys want to see from me and the channel. I hope you did enjoy, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.